My wife said the wine is very good.
It's nice. It's
She
very
like
sweet.
it.
Because
Maybe
I drink it before, but
You're enjoying it
the
too.
difference is too much. This one is more sweet.
Wow.
I think I need more ice.
This thing, my wife, okay, that
You have
means
to.
it's very nice. Before my
Even
wife,
before we have to put more
before
ice.
my wife will tell you this is good, this is okay, you know that that thing is
He trusts
extremely.
me. If I say it's
extremely
good,
good.
he's sure that it's
So
really
let me
very nice.
test my own. This is my own. Let me test it, okay?
Let me talk for Georgians because they will complain. It's very nice. They will say that მოკლედ ეხა უნდა დავაგემოვნო პალმის ღვინო. მოდი ვაჩვენოთ. Capture from mom. ეს არის პალმის ღვინო. Thank you. ძალიან კაია. Now go on to drink water.